Versus event number 16, boys 13 and 14, 100-meter butterfly. On lane number 1, Manuel Pedrero of UPH System Darga. Lane number 2, Javon Alaan of JRU Bombers. Lane number 3, Troy Capitli of JRU Bombers. Lane number 4, Johnny Morales of Don Bosco Wolves. Lane number 5, Chris Saluta of Don Bosco Wolves. Lane number 6, Kyle Christian of the squad of Golden Seagull. And lane number 7, Michael Buanglag of Shan Barajudas.
Pero wala, hindi ko rin sila kalaban eh. Hindi ko rin sila kalaban. Mga 10, 9